Hi, Judd here. This is an addendum to my previous Cooking with Judd, where I was talking about mixing stuff in with ground turkey. If you recall, at that time I mixed ground Italian sausage, 1 pound in with 3 pounds of turkey, and I put that on the bed of lettuce with the sour cream and the cheddar cheese, and that just didn't work, actually, because the Italian sausage totally overwhelmed the turkey. What goes with Italian sausage is provolone cheese and spaghetti sauce, and it's also better served as a burger. So this is the alternative to that previous Cooking with Judd video, okay? So this is what I start with. I ended up with about 10 or 12 of these big hunks of burger. They're good size. I'm cooking in a toaster oven always. I was doing them at 450 for 55 minutes, but then I discovered if I go at 350 and go for an hour 10, they come out just right. Whoop. There you go. So in an hour 10 minutes we'll put this together and show you a really delicious turkey burger, turkey Italian sausage burger. It's really good and worth its own video. Been an hour and 10 minutes. Take this baby out. Give you a nice look at it. I tell you one thing, it's very greasy. And just for grins and giggles, we'll check the temperature. And we've got 165 and climbing. Okay, so we're fine there. And we find which is the long way, which is about here, and we cut this in half. Okay, and you can see how greasy that is. We take 2 corn tortillas, put those in the microwave for 1 minute. Now my provolone cheese really sticks together. So as soon as I bought it, I let it warm up a little bit and then split it into slices and put paper between it. Because otherwise I couldn't get single serving slices off of it. And I've only got 3 slices left. The other thing I've noticed is that it takes 2 slices of provolone for each half burger to bring out any flavor in it. Because the Italian sausage is just so powerful of flavor that it overwhelms everything. Now I've only got 2 slices left, so I'm going to put 1.5 on each one. We'll cut that in half. Take my 2 corn tortillas, and I'm going to put a slice on each one, and another half slice on each one. Which is better than just 1 slice, but not as good as 2. 2 slices is the way to go. I just happened to run out. And we're going to put that back in the oven for 1 minute. First reason is the tortillas need a minute in the oven to get to the texture I want. And but I do have to do the microwave first, or it doesn't work. And also to melt the provolone, which then becomes very gooey and sticks to the burger and gives you that rubbery texture. It's real nice. This is some of my Giarusa tomato basil spaghetti sauce. This is the most delicious stuff I've ever had. I don't even like spaghetti sauce, and I love this stuff. The reason the jar is empty is I put it into 4 cups, because by the time I get around to using it, it goes bad. So I put it into 4 cups and then I freeze it. But this one I've kept in the fridge so I can use it for my for these things that I'm making now. Okay. You know what? I want a little more melty on that. So we're going to put them in the microwave for another 15 seconds. Get that cheese a little bit more melty. Oh yeah. There you see a little color change in them. That tells you they're melty. Okay, and then we're going to put just a tiny bit of this, because this squeezes out real bad. And it'll be dripping all over everything. You just want to put enough on here, get a little flavor in, and boy does this work. That's probably too much, but I'm excited. This is so good. Not just the Gia Rosa, but the this whole thing. Okay, and then we take a burger, or a half a burger, we stick it on there. Yum, 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 yum. And we take the other half and stick it on there. Very messy. And then we just fold that baby in half, pushing down on that burger, keep that good. And you can see how the spaghetti sausage is running right out of there. Okay, and just because I'm going to go enjoy this, but I'll give you a taste test now. Look at this thing. Oh, you see the cheese? Oh, that is good. This is perfect. Oh, man. That is so good. Now keep in mind, this tastes like Italian sausage. But keep in mind, it's only 1/4 Italian sausage. The rest is turkey, ground turkey. But as far as if I serve this to anybody, they'd swear it's Italian sausage. So, there you go. Oh man, that's good stuff. Okay, there you go. Happy day to you. Eat well.